Hello students, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste. I hope you are doing well. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Ms. Samandeep Kaur. So I am back with subject Maths, chapter 3, highest common factor HCF and lowest common multiple LCM. So let's discuss about this. So let's start with exercise 3.1. Its first part is write the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. So here a part is 5. Let's write its multiple. Multiple means when we multiply this number by any number, so it gives its multiple. Like for example table of 5. When we multiply 5 by 1, 5 ones are 5. So this is first multiple of 5. 5 multiplied by 2, it gives us 10. So 10 is the second multiple. 5 threes are 15. This is third multiple. 5 into 4 is 20. So this is fourth multiple. And 5 fives are 25. So this is the fifth multiple. So these are 5 multiples of number 5. Here B part is similarly we will write table of 9 because table of 9 means all the numbers are multiple of 9. So here let's write 9. 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36 and 9 fives are 45. C part is 10. So answer is 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50. Now next D part is 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. Now E part is 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 65 are 80. So these are 5 multiple of 16. Next multiples of 17. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68, 17 fives are 85. Here second part is find the factors of the given numbers. So A part factors of 5 are 1 and 5. B part factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. C. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. D part factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. E part factors of 25 are 1, 5, 25. F part factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 18, 36. So these are the factors of 36, right? Now third part is write factors of the following numbers. A part 18. Factors means ऐसे numbers जिनके टेबल में 18 आता हो और जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करके 18 बनता हो. जैसे 18 को स्प्लिट करेंगे उनके फैक्टर्स में. जैसे 1 into 18 is 18, right? Let me tell you that the number 1 and number itself are the two factors of every number. हर नंबर के 1 और नंबर खुद वो दोनों दो फैक्टर हमेशा होते हैं. जैसे कि 18 का 1 और 18. So here are the factors. 18 is equal to 1 into 18 and 18 is equal to 2 into 9 and 18 is equal to 3 into 6. So now we got 6 factors. 1 and 18, 2 and 9 and 3 and 6. So factors of 18 are 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6, right? B part is factors of 24. So here 24 is equal to 1 into 24, 24 is equal to 2 into 12, 24 is equal to 3 into 8 and 24 is equal to 4 into 6. So factors of 24 is equal to 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, 6, right? Now C part is 35. So let's write the factors of 35. 35 is equal to 1 into 35. 35 is equal to 5 into 7. So factors of 35 are these 4, right? 1, 35, 5 and 7. Here D part is factors of 36. Here 36 is equal to 1 into 36. 36 is equal to 2 into 18. 36 is equal to 3 into 12. 36 is equal to 4 into 9 and 36 is equal to 6 into 6. So factors of 36 are 1, 36, 2, 8, 3, 12, 4, 9 and 6. We will not write 6 two times, right? E part is 45. Factors of 45. 45 is equal to 1 into 45. 45 is equal to 3 into 15 and 45 is equal to 5 into 9. So factors of 45 is equal to 1, 45, 3, 15, 5 and 9. Here F part is factors of 21. So 21 is equal to 1 into 21. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. So factors of 21 is equal to 1, 21, 3 and 7. Here fourth part is find out the even numbers from the following. Let me tell you what are even numbers. Even number होते हैं जो 2 के टेबल में आते हैं, right? Which are the multiples of 2. और next definition is that these numbers carry at their ones place even number, means multiple of 2. You will check the last digit of the number should be the multiple of 2, right? So let's try A part. Here 12, you can see at ones place it carries 2. So 2 is an even number, right? Because it comes in table of 2. So 12 is an even number. Next 23. Here it carries 3 at the ones place. So this is not an even number, right? So this is an odd number. Next is 34. Here at ones place it carries 4. So this is an even number. Here 16. Here it carries at ones place 6, right? So it is an even number. Next 19. It carries 9 at ones place. So 9 is not multiple of 2. That's why it is an odd number. So next is 28. Here you can see at ones place it carries 8. 8 is a multiple of 2. That's why 28 is an even number, right? Now let's try B part. 35 is an odd number. 48 is an even number. 53 is an odd number. 69 is an odd number and 72 is an even number and 90. Here if any number have 0 at one's place, then this number is called even number, right? Now let's try C part. 450 is an even number. 568, 664 and 98, right? Now from D, 456, 968, 604 and 888. E part 136, 446, 1278, right? Now F part 168, 5864. So these are even numbers. So here fifth part, find out the odd numbers from the following. Let me tell you what are odd numbers. Odd numbers are those number which are not multiple of 2. जो 2 के multiple नहीं हैं वह odd numbers हैं, जो 2 के टेबल में नहीं आते हैं. हम सारे even numbers को छोड़कर बाकी जो numbers होते हैं वो odd numbers हैं, हम उनको लेंगे, right? From the A part, 11 is an odd number, 23, 19, 35, right? From B part, 45, 69, 97. From C part, 451, 215, 789, 983. From D part, 237, 739. E part, 631, 135, 249, 1279, 2851. From F part, 49, 765, 1729, 9261, 6859. So these are odd numbers. Now sixth part is fill in the blanks. A part, if 4 into 9 is equal to 36, then factors of 36 are 4 and 9. B part, if 8 into 7 is equal to 56, then factors of 56 are 8 and 7. If 3 into 5 into 6 is equal to 90, then factors of 90 are 3, 5 and 6. In 8 into 10 is equal to 80. The multiple of 8 and 10 is 8 और 10 का multiple कौन है? 80. In 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. Then 30 is the multiple of 30 किसका multiple है? 2, 3 and 5. So these were the fill-ups. Now seventh part is write true or false. A part 24 is a factor of 24. So this is true because every number is multiple of itself, right? Or factor of itself, right? B part 2 is a factor of every number. 2 हर किसी का factor होता है. So this is wrong because 2 is a factor of even numbers, right? So this is false. C part 24 is an even number. So this is true. D part 136 is an odd number. This is false. E there are infinite multiples of a number. Number के multiples infinite होते हैं. So this is true. F part 36 is a multiple of 5 and 7. So this is wrong because 36 ना तो 5 के टेबल में आता है ना ही 7 के. G part sum of two even numbers is an odd number. So this is wrong. जब भी even numbers को दो even numbers को ऐड करती है तो हमेशा even number ही आंसर आता है. H part smallest even number is 0. So this is right. 0 is an even number, right? Now 152 is an odd number. So this is false. J part there are 5 single digit even numbers. So this is true, right? Single digit जो एक ही digit हो जैसे 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Only 5 ही single digit even numbers हैं. So this is true. Here 8th part is observe the factorization pattern and complete it, right? So here you can see the pattern here 12. You know 4 3s are 12, right? Next 4 is splitted into 2 into 2 means 2 2s are 4. Now let's make pattern of 18. Here you can see 6 into 3 is 18. Then let's split 6 into 2 into 3. Now C part is 20. 4 5s are 20, right? Now let's split 4. So we get 2 into 2 because 2 into 2 is 4. Now 9th part is look at the pattern and solve. Here you can see the B part is solved, which tells us that 3 into 13 is 39. So here let's make the other patterns. 2 into 19 is 38, 5 into 17 is 85 and 11 into 7 is 77, right? Now 10th part is understand and complete the following. Here you can see, you can count them. From the picture it is clear that when we take two same things together, so it is called a pair. Pair means दो साथ में एक pair बनाते हैं, right? Here in A part you can see these two cats are making a pair. Next two cats also making a pair, but last one is single. So from here it is clear that these are odd number of cats, right? Now from the B part, first pair is complete, second pair is complete, third pair is complete, fourth pair is also complete. So this is an even number, right? C part, first two caps making a pair. First pair is complete, second pair is also complete. Last cap is single. So this is an odd number of caps. D part, here you can see first two tomatoes making a pair, second two tomatoes are making a pair and last one is single. So this is called an odd number of tomatoes. E part, just count the cups. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Now 10 is a multiple of 2. So that's why this is an even number, right? So we have completed this exercise. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos. And please don't forget to share my channel.